I am just giving you this really quick video because I know you're gonna love me forever for showing you this. 2 products together that will give you false lash effect, no smudging, no raccoon eyes, nothing. And I've been using it for 2 months. And my lashes are getting healthier. The first one is the L'Oreal primer. Also, this is my favorite. Oh my gosh. DHC's Double Protection Mask. It's a Japanese mascara, Japanese made mascara, and it is freaking phenomenal. So let me show you 2 seconds in, out, how easy it is. So what I do, you can use this by itself too. It does a great job by itself as well. But I like it with the primer though, because it gives you that extra volume in your lashes. So watch this. I'm gonna get all up in your face for a minute. Hold on. The primer first. Even with just the primer, do you see that? Now watch this. It's a really tiny and thin brush so you can get all your lashes. And you start at the base of your lash. And look at that. And you just cover. You can even get in there because the brush is so small. And then I just kind of put extra at the end. Oh my gosh.